Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Today is Sunday, December 31st, 2023. I'd like to wish everyone a healthy and happy New Year's. May 2024 bring you health, happiness, and of course, success. Regardless of what you do, have a blessed New Year's. Heading to my last service call of 2023. We have a customer in Hewlett. Hewlett is in the southwestern corner of Nassau County on Long Island in the great state of New York. We have a new client who needs to replace his kitchen faucet. Now, he called on Friday right around 2 o'clock. I said, I'm sorry, we're closed already. We could do Tuesday for you. He goes, oh man, it's like, but if you want an emergency service call, I'll get you on Sunday. So we're heading over there now. Should be a simple swap out of a kitchen faucet. Hopefully I just didn't put my words into my mouth and spoke prematurely. Let's get going, guys.
Alright guys, so there's a Kohler kitchen faucet here, not a pull-out spray, and a soap dispenser that's going to. And a barking dog, of course. Let's look underneath. Yep, she's a Kohler. Got those 2 screws right there.
Easy peasy. Alright.
Gonna turn off hot and cold. I use my long Phillips screwdriver, loosen up those 2 Phillips screws. I guess I could disconnect the water supplies first. Using my mini adjustable baby Kev. Should have used my little baby channel lock, but since these are going in the garbage. And the wee pads are picking up all the water. Good. I'm spinning off that nut off of the shaft, and I'm going to pull the faucet out. I'm not fighting with this thing. I'm just going to cut those 2 copper lines, pull this bad boy out. New faucet, Moen. Very nice with this stupid little red security thing, like you're going to walk out of Home Depot with the faucet. Alright, so I'm going to put this clip on there, and the nut. Pushed up that ring, it's easier to spin the nut on. And then once it's all the way up there, we're going to use the cheap plastic tool that Moen gives you. nice snug. Let's tighten this bad boy up. All right, let's turn the water back on. I wish these were quarter turn valves. Oh, I love quarter turn valves.
Yeah.
Time for a water test. The pull-out spray, this little nut here, they always loosen up, and it's always a service call on a holiday or weekend. Always check that.